All right, so welcome to the kitchen. So clearly we're less than 100% moved in, but we're in enough where I feel like I can make a dinner. And so I'm gonna make the first dinner in our new digs. So here we go. So in my family, one of the meals, I suppose, that I have been making for family events and things of that sort for years is chili. It's starting to be that season, the fall, starting to get a little cooler outside, a nice chili always kind of hits the spot. So that's what we're going to take on.
It's top secret. Hush it, hush.
So there might be a few things that I do in my chili that are a little bit different and unique. Feel free to take them and use them as you see fit. First thing, I brown the meat. I do not use typical hamburger generally. If I'm in a pinch or whatever and I have to use it, I mean, I will. But I like to use meat that's a little bit more coarsely ground, or a little bit more, I don't know, coarsely ground? No, maybe not. That's not the right vernacular.
Where are you getting this information?
It's a little bit bigger chunks. I don't know.
I am the smartest man alive!
Typically what I like to choose or use, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of cayenne, a little bit more than a little bit of chili, and a little bit of my secret spicy spice. So my chili consists of basically three types of beans: black beans, kidney beans, and chili beans. Now, black beans, kidney beans, anything will do. I just usually buy a can of beans and that's good. But the key is the proper chili beans. Now, I've tried chili beans from all across the country, from all over the place. I've used all kinds of different types of beans, but the only beans that I use in my chili are Mrs. Grimes chili beans. They are not a sponsor. They are not giving me any money. They don't tell me anything. They don't sell me anything, except beans. And they don't provide me with any sort of compensation for promoting their product. If you can get Mrs. Grimes chili beans, those are the beans that you need to put in your chili. I guarantee you, it'll make a difference. Your family will thank you. You're welcome.
That's a pretty good idea.
Now to this medley of beans, I will add some tomatoes, some chilies, and some juice. The only juice that I use is not a sponsor, but it is a proven difference maker. V8 hot and spicy juice is the only juice that goes in my chili.
Is that true?
As my meat browns and my beans simmer, I like to have a little bit of a cocktail. Take your favorite domestic beer, add about 6 ounces of none other than V8 hot and spicy, and you have yourself a bloody beer that goes perfectly with Burgher chili. Cheers.
That is what the Cretans drink.
Fucking amateur.
Walter.
So the age-old question is, what do you serve with chili? Now in Northwest Iowa, when I was teaching up there, it was like the rule that it was cinnamon rolls and chili. That's what you put together. At the school up there at Okoboji, everybody ate school lunch, and this school was like old school. Like it was grandmas from the community that were making the lunches and the breakfasts, and it was just like, it was like the 70s of my youth come back when it wasn't like a corporate enterprise of school lunches. But so they would hand make these gigantic cinnamon rolls with frosting on top, and you put that with the chili, and it was such a great pairing. Now we're in North Carolina, so I decided to opt for the cornbread. Made some little cornbreads to go with the chili. Now, cornbread. Are you just a cornbread purist? You throw a little butter on there. What do? Myself, I like a little honey. Now, they say the best honey is honey that comes from your area. It helps with allergies and all kinds of things. This particular honey comes from my friends, the Gersmas, Dean and Mary Gersma from Buffalo Center, Iowa. They have their own little beehive colony and things like that. Now, clearly, we're a long ways from Iowa, but this honey is so fantastic that I have to put it on my table. Hank, is the chili good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it?
Whoa. Hey, hold on, bud.
Is it good?
Yeah,
Is the chili good? Yeah.